Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook fenugreek seeds. First, you need to soak your fenugreek seeds overnight, or for at least 8 hours, to mellow their inherent bitterness. Place about 1/4 of a cup of raw seeds into a bowl, then cover them with 2 cups of cold water. This step is crucial for softening the seeds and making them more palatable for cooking. Proper soaking ensures a much more enjoyable culinary experience. After soaking, drain the water thoroughly from your fenugreek seeds. Now, it is time to dry roast them in a pan, which will deepen their flavor significantly. Place the drained seeds into a clean, dry skillet over a medium-low heat setting. Stir them continuously for about 3 to 5 minutes until they become aromatic and turn a shade darker. Be careful not to burn them, as this can make them taste bitter again. This step brings out a wonderful nutty essence. Once roasted, your fenugreek seeds are ready to be incorporated into various dishes. They work wonderfully in curries, adding a unique, earthy dimension. You can also mix them into hearty stews or even sprinkle them over roasted vegetables for an interesting twist. Remember to add them towards the end of the cooking process, typically in the last 10 to 15 minutes. Begin with just 1/2 of a teaspoon for a subtle flavor, then feel free to add more if you like the taste. This allows the flavor to infuse without overpowering your meal. For any leftover cooked fenugreek seeds, proper storage is key to maintaining freshness. Allow them to cool completely to room temperature before transferring them into an airtight container. You can store these seeds in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, making them convenient for future meals. A helpful tip to further reduce bitterness is to blanch your soaked seeds in boiling water for 2 minutes, then drain them before roasting. This extra step ensures a milder, more pleasant flavor profile in your finished dishes. Enjoy experimenting with this versatile ingredient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.